Now we are talking about this as question number 2, part A. This is the May-June 2019 exam paper, Cambridge IGCSE business paper. This question number 2, part A, examiner wants you to identify and explain 2 examples for tertiary sector business that help WA to be successful. This is an 8-mark question. So here, when you are writing the answer again, this is an 8-mark question, especially Cambridge VS paper. Like 8-mark questions, we have to structure your answer. Again, as I said earlier, knowledge, analysis, and application. So your knowledge, analysis, application, these 3 together, you can structure your answer and you can go for a maximum 8 marks. When you are writing 2 examples for tertiary sector of this WA business, you can answer like answers like you can include banking sector, insurance, advertising agency, transport services, communication, sometimes you can say training companies, or like that you can use some 2 examples, right? This is how I explained some key points, but you can mention the minimum 2 points from this and then put into the case, and you can explain. When you are taking the knowledge part, you have to identify your 2 examples for a tertiary sector. It's a main important point. Then analyzing, you have to give that particular explanation, in detail explanation for that whatever you have explained, or identify 2 examples for a tertiary sector. Application also, you have to link to the case study when you are explaining in detail analysis for that particular answer. This is about the question number 2, part A, answer writing plan. So do you want any clarifications from me, Disas?
No, sir. All clear.
All good, right? So question number 2, part B, here they want us to write the answer called consider the following 2 ways WA could increase productivity. Recommend which would be the best way to choose to increase profitability. So, and then you have to justify your answer as well. They have given the 2 ways, like use computers in manufacturing and design, improve employee skills, and recommendations. So likewise, they have given some of the detail. Now you have to go ahead with how you can identify the advantages, disadvantages. For this case, for a manufacturing design, you have to give the minimum 3 advantages, 3 disadvantages. Improving employee skills, again 3 advantages, 3 disadvantages. So when you are writing the advantage, for example, use computer in manufacturing design, relevant to the case study given WA, you can talk about something like we call lower labor cost, increase output and quality of that, improving design and lower wastage, waste produced in new models. Likewise, you can discuss. And disadvantage, you can discuss high cost of computer, cost of redundancy, kind of things. Improving employee skills also, you can discuss advantages like more workers, more efficient, and how to make the cost part low. So like kind of things. And disadvantage, higher cost of training, employee may then new jobs, how to find the new jobs and how to find the new skilled people and all these things. So likewise, you can plan your answer. When you are writing the recommendation part, it's very important since this is a 12-mark case. So you have to carefully plan how you can recommend based on the discussion had on these 2 ways, and what is the most method or most suitable way to increase the productivity in order to increase the profit compared to other way. So then you have to recommend your own word. If you want, you can use some example. If you want, you can go beyond that. If not, you can use the same case study instructions and you can go ahead with that. And then after that, you can address, you can clearly end up with your well-justified recommendation at the end. This is about the question number 2, part A, part B, May, June 2019, past paper. As a learner, when you are writing the answer for business Cambridge IGCSE exam paper. I hope you are clear with this. Do you want any support, any clarification?
No, sir. Okay.
Okay, this is Bhuta. You can start writing now.